For 2020, a JCU whole of institution subject template has been pre-populated into subject sites to establish a consistent experience for students in line with elements of the Student Digital Experience Policy. This video will demonstrate how the template can assist in building your subject site and will explain what is included in the template. This is how the template displays in your subject content area. All items are hidden from students by default, but can be made visible by clicking the drop-down menu and selecting Visible to Students. The first item is the Subject Setup Checklist for Staff, a guide to help you align your content with the template. Each section of the checklist has important instructions as well as timely links to information and guides. Let's use the checklist to explain the template. The first placeholder to prepare your subject is the Start Here folder for students. Publish your introductory video in this folder and make it available to students during the week prior to the study period. For monitoring student engagement, the video is to be named Introduction to and your subject name. This video must be added directly within the Start Here folder and not within an Ultra document. The checklist provides links to help with booking and creating an introductory video and a guide on publishing your video to Learn JCU. Place your subject outline PDF within the Start Here folder also and make it available to students during the week prior to the study period. Make sure it is named Subject Outline and is placed directly within the Start Here folder and not within an Ultra document. The checklist provides links to subject outline guidelines and help on adding files to Learn JCU. Place a document with the subject staff's contact details within the Start Here folder to give students a quick point of reference. The checklist provides a link to help on creating Ultra documents. In the Assessment folder you will find guiding items for students such as how to submit an assignment and a draft submission Dropbox for reference checking. Below these, create your assessment items in the folders provided. Clearly label them and order them chronologically, one assessment item per folder, with any extra resources relating to it. The checklist provides links to guides and cover sheet information. The next placeholder is the Reading Resources folder. In the Reading Resources folder you will see a link to your full readings list if you've created one. If not, contact your discipline's liaison librarian. The checklist highlights important information on copyright and provides links to guides and liaison librarian contact details. In between the Reading Resources and Support folder is a placeholder for the subject's learning materials. Students regularly access assessments and reading resources, therefore it is recommended that these folders stay near the top of the subject site. This learning materials placeholder is actually a link for your information to some recommended layouts for learning materials. The checklist also provides a timely link to guide you through copying selected content between Learn JCU Ultra subject sites. In the Support folder are support links for students. You can add more links to any relevant support services for your students as required. The last items on the checklist take you through checking that your content is valid and available as required. Further support and guides are linked to help you in this process, and when you're all done, there are links to analytics, information, the Learn Lowdown newsletter, the Learn JCU glossary, and technical support links are there for your reference. We hope this video has assisted in guiding you through building your subject site using the institutional template.